So, we got a query from one of our users. They reached out saying they couldn't get their foreign patent applications to upload in the tip tool. So I'll show you exactly how they need to be added into your portfolio in the tip tool. There are two ways to add foreign applications. We'll see each one by one. The first one and the fastest method is auto-syncing through a related US case. If your foreign filing belongs to a US patent family, all you need to do is add the US application through the Portfolio Manager. Once that US case is in the system, the tip tool automatically pulls in the related PCT and foreign family members from a SpaceNet. You don't have to do anything extra. The system handles it all behind the scenes, and your foreign applications will just appear under the Foreign Applications tab. Now, the other way. So in case if your foreign filing isn't linked to a US case, or if you prefer entering a bulk of applications all at once, you can use the bulk import option instead. To do that, start by selecting the portfolio where the foreign applications should be added. Next, click the blue Add Applications button in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear, and from there, select Bulk Import. Inside the pop-up, you'll see a text Excel file. Go ahead and click that to download the Excel template. This file includes all the relevant fields you can add, things like the application number, title, summary, filing date, the foreign case indicator, and more. Fill in all the required information. The mandatory fields are highlighted in red, and for any foreign filing, make sure to set the foreign case value to yes. Just take a moment to enter everything carefully. It helps avoid formatting errors later on. Once you're done, save the file and upload it back through the same pop-up window. The tip tool will validate and process your entries, and when everything is complete, the foreign applications will show up under the Foreign Applications tab. It might take a minute or two for everything to appear. After your foreign applications are added, whether through Autosync or the bulk import feature, they become fully functional entries within your portfolio. You can search and filter them, tag or score them, group them for review, and even see them inside the family tree visualization. They're also included automatically in your portfolio exports and strategy reviews. So, that's how you add foreign patent applications in the tip tool.